To onboard devices to a PolyLens account using device provisioning, do the following steps. Start by logging into lens.poly.com as either an administrator or device manager. Next, select Manage Accounts from the admin menu. Select an account from the list that you would like to onboard the device onto. Select Device Provisioning from the sidebar. You must create provisioning credentials if this is the first time. Enter a server username. Enter a password and repeat it to confirm. Select Enable Provisioning. A confirmation message appears. Select Continue. You will need the provisioning server address for other steps that join devices to this account. Click the copy icon located after the provisioning server address to copy it to the clipboard. Now, you can navigate to any of your device's web interfaces and set the provisioning server to be the one you just copied. Updates to devices can be done by model and device policies so that many devices can be set to this provisioning server quickly. Refer to documentation for individual device provisioning.